Hello class. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. In the previous session we have completed our chapter and today we are going to do our exercise. So let's get into it, okay? Mark these sentences as true or false. We have to tick true or false. Let us see the first question. Amit and Puneet were brothers. So they were brothers? Yes. So put here true. T. Write here T. Next one. Amit turned off the taps in the washroom. So did Amit turn off the tap? While when he has freshened up, he has turned off the taps? No. So write here false. F. Third question. Mother gave Puneet a bucket of water. So when the water was over, did mother give Puneet a bucket of water? Yes. So write here true. T. There was water in the tap when Puneet went to the washroom. So when Amit came out and Puneet got inside the washroom, there was water in the washroom? No. So write here false. Okay. So first one is true, then false, then true, and then false. Clear? Now moving to answer these questions. First one is, which game did Amit and Puneet play? Did you know the answer? Which game? Okay, let me tell you the answer. First of all, write the chapter number, chapter's name, date and day in your copy, fair copy. Okay, then you have to write. The first question is, which game did Amit and Puneet play? So they play the game of cricket. So this is the answer, that they play the game of cricket. Moving to the next question. What did Amit forgot to do after he took a shower? What did Amit forgot to do after he took a shower? So answer is, after he took a shower, he forgot to turn off the shower. So after taking shower, he forgot to turn off the shower. Now next question, third question. Why do we need to save water? Now here it is asked that why we should save the water. Answer is, we need to save our water for future use. We should save water not for ourselves only but for everyone. Clear? Answer is, again I am repeating, we need to save our water for future use. We should save water not for ourselves only but for everyone. Clear? This is your third answer. Now fourth question. What did the brothers understand after they learned not to waste water? So what the lesson they learned? That they understood that water is precious. Okay, they understood that water is precious. So this is your 4 question answers. You have to do it in your fair copy. Clear everyone? Now moving to the book again. Here it is. What are the things that should be done to save water? Tick the correct sentences and cross the incorrect sentences. Now here some sentences are given. You have to tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. Come on, let us do. You should use water as much as is needed. Yes, it is true. As much as it is needed, that much only water we should use. So put a tick mark here. Everyone put tick mark here. When you brush your teeth, keep the tap turned on. I have told in the story, you have to not do this. So put a cross in this. You should take a quick shower. Yes, because during shower most of the water is wasted. So you should take a quick shower. So put a tick here. To wash the floor, you should use a hose and not a bucket. You should use a pipe to wash a floor or bucket. A bucket. So take on this. No, sorry. Put a cross. Because you should not use hose. You should use bucket. You should check all the taps and valves. Either they are not leaking or they are on or off. So you should check it. So put it tick mark. Clear? This way you have to fill it. Now A4. Think and answer. Why do you think it is important that we use water carefully? Now here it is asked, why should we use water carefully? So here is the answer. It is important to save water for future use because water is precious. We should use water carefully because it is precious to us. Okay, this is the answer. Now moving to the next page, page number 15. Page number 15. Let us see what is here. Puneet's and Amit's mother tells them to check all the taps so that water does not drip. If she would have said tap, it would mean one tap, but she used taps, which shows more than one. Okay, more than one. For one we use tap. For more than one we use s. So read these words. These are one. These are many. Like orange became oranges. There are many. Car became cars. When we have to use, suppose one thing is there, like a car. One thing, only one car is there. So we will use car. And if more than one is there, many are there, we use s. We add to the word. Plus s. We add plus s or es. We add s or es to many. Like toy, we add s. Toys. Clear? Bird, birds. Brother, brothers. Potato, potatoes. Es. Here we'll use es for potatoes. Fox, we'll use foxes. Glass, we'll use glasses. Bunch, we'll use bunches. Class, we'll use classes. Clear? In some places we use s, but in some places we use es. Clear? Everyone? Orange became oranges. Car became cars. Toy became toys. Bird became birds. Brother became brothers. Potato, potatoes. Fox, foxes. Glass, glasses. Bunch, bunches. Class, classes. Clear? Everyone? Now, here it is there. Let us see what is here. When we talk about only one of the naming word, it is called singular noun. Only one. This is what? Singular noun. When we talk about more than one of the naming word, it is plural noun. These are plural nouns. These are singular nouns. When we use only one thing, it is singular. But many are there, then we use plural. Clear? We add s or es to singular noun to change them to plural noun. Okay, if one thing is there, we add s or es to change to them plural nouns. Let's move to the next page. Come to page number 16. Here we have to change these singular nouns to plural nouns by adding s or es. Now by adding s or es, we have to change it, like book. So what it will be? Yes, write it. Books. Chair, what it will be? Chairs. Table, what it will be? Tables. S will be there. Church. Churches. Dish. Dishes. Es. Peach. Peaches. Clear? So book became books, chair became chairs, table became tables, church became churches, dish, dishes, peach, peaches. So if singular means only one and plural means two or more than two, तो जब हमें सिंगुलर से प्लूरल बनाना है तो एस और ई एस ऐड करना पड़ता है. क्लियर? वी हैव टू ऐड एस और ई एस. नाउ मूविंग ऑन. रीड दीज सेंटेंसेस. Note the highlighted words and write their opposites. Means we have to write opposite word, antonyms for this. Amit did not turn off the taps and all the water was gone. Now what will be the opposite of off? It will be on. Right here, on. O-N, on. Now moving to the second. Molly told me to save water because it is precious. So what will be the opposite of save? It will be waste. Right? Waste. W-A-S-T-E. Waste. Third one. Mr. Sharma got angry as he could not find his phone. What will be the opposite of angry? Happy. Right? Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Mom bought ripe mangoes from the market. What will be of the ripe? Opposite word? Raw. Right? Raw. R-A-W. Raw. Clear? First will be on, then waste, then happy, and then raw. Clear, everyone? Now moving on. Grammar guide. Punit and Amit did not know why water was not coming in the taps. So these both children don't know why the water was coming out of the taps. So they called their mother. Okay, so they called their mother. The words they and their are used to talk about more than one person without repeating their names. Okay, now they and their are used for the person. We can call them instead of repeating their name continuously like Amit and Puneet, Amit and Puneet, Amit and Puneet, we can use they. We can use their. So for one person we can repeat the name, but for many we cannot. So in place of that we can use they or their. Let us learn more such words. Now let us learn more such words. Read these sentences and note the highlighted words. We have to note the highlighted words. See here. Junaid, this is my friend. Pooja, I go for cycling with her every day. Okay, Junaid is telling that this is Pooja. I go with her. Not he. He has not used Pooja again. He has used her because she is a girl. So here it is used her every day. Shikha, Ravi did not bring his crayons. I gave him my crayon. Here also she has not used Ravi again here. I gave Ravi my crayon. She has not used. She has used instead of that him, because him is the another word for the boys and her for girls. Now moving to the next page. Arjun, those are my friends. I play football with them after school. Now here Arjun is telling that those are my friends, pointing to them those. Not everybody's name he cannot call out now. There are lots of people. So those are my friends. I play football with them after school. Clear? Like this, instead of names we can use these words. In these sentences, her is used to talk about Pooja. Him is used to talk about Ravi. Them is used to talk about Arjun's friend. Clear? I told you her is for Pooja, for girl, him for boy, and them for Arjun's friend. Him, her, and them. Him, her, him, and them are pronouns. We used to avoid repeating nouns. Instead of telling their names, we can use these names. Her is used to replace a female's name. I told na, for girl we use, for female her. Him is used to replace a male's name. Him we use for male. And them is used to replace the names of more than one person. And for more than one person, we use them. So her is used for females, for girls. Him is used for males, for boys. And them is used for more than one. Now let us see what is there. Fill in the pronouns him, her and them correctly in the story. Now this is a story and we have to put him, her or them. Let us go through the story. One day, Mullah fight with his wife. He shouted at who? So there was a fight between Mullah and his wife. So he shouted at her. Right here, her. So much that she became very angry with him. Right here, him. She ran to a neighbor's house. Mullah followed her. Fight was between Mullah and wife. So Mullah followed her. Right here, her. H-E-R, her. As Mullah and his wife fought, the neighbors tried to calm them. Both of them were fighting. So we cannot use Mullah and wife everywhere. So we use them. Right here, them. They served them with tea and sweets. Right, put here them. Right here, them. Later, Mullah and his wife went home. But they soon started fighting again. As Mullah's wife ran out of the house, Mullah ran behind her. Right here, her. Don't go to them. Put here, them. He shouted, pointing at the neighbor's house. Go to the baker's house. I know them. Put here, them. He'll give us tasty cakes to be quiet. Clear? These are the fill-ups. I think you have fill up it. I think you have done it. So this is our portion and we have completed our second chapter exercise. So write it in your copies, and what you have to write in your book, write it in your book, and click the photos and submit it to me. Until the next session, thank you for listening me. Stay at your home, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you everyone.